Okay, let's have a look at question 2. So this is about linear correlation. It looks like we've got a hypothesis test in our hands. So 10% of whether or not the product movement correlation coefficient is greater than 0. So it's going to be a one-tailed test with H0 correlation is equal to 0 always, isn't it? And our alternative is going to be P is greater than 0. Okay, have we? Yeah, we've got R, or R equals to 0. R is greater than 0. Right, so what we've got here, we've got 0 in the middle. We've got its significance level of 10%, isn't it? We've got our critical, well, what's our critical value? We don't know. We need the table for that. Okay, let's have a look on the table. I'm going to Google that now, so it might take us a second. So, actually, it's going to be in the, hopefully it's going to be in the textbook. That's going to be a bit quicker for us. Let's hope there is a formula book at the end. Tables at the end. Are there? No. Okay. Maybe there is. So we're looking at regression and correlation. Okay, size 1. Hopefully. Odds not. So are there tables in the back? There used to be. Yes, there are tables in the back. Great. Okay, so I'm looking at these tables. Okay, can you see that all right? Lovely. So we are significance level 10%. Sample level is 7, isn't it? N equals 7 places. And so we've got 0.5509. 0.5509. There it is. Okay. Okay, so we've got 0.5509, and it would be minus 0.5509. Should we want that one? We've got 1 up here, haven't we? Minus 1 here. So that's that essentially is what we're interested in, is positive, and that would be negative. And we've got our test statistic here of 0.658. So 0.658. We're in the critical region. Unlikely. We accept H1. Evidence for positive correlation. P is greater than 0. Done. Use your knowledge of the large data set. Suggest the names of 2 places labelled G and H. So, what month are we in? Right, here we go. Who can remember this from the other day? So in the Northern Hemisphere, we are July 2015, and we want somewhere that is. So we've got S is rain and L is temperature. So we've got G is over here, which is hot and dry. And we've got one up here, which is hot and wet. In July, what have we got? We've got hot and dry. I'm thinking Leutches. Is that going to be wet? And what's the daily and total daily? So we've got like 5.5 times 30 is 165 millimeters of rain a month. That could be Scotland. It is quite sunny in Scotland in July. Can be quite rainy. How rainy is it in Beijing? I'm going to say, and this is something we can talk about later, I'm going to say Beijing and Leutches. I'll be interested. This is a discussion point for later, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, page down. Suggest how you would make better use of large data set to investigate linear and to investigate the relationship between temperature and rainfall. Okay, see, so look at Southern Hemisphere. Fear 2 in winter. Also in 1987 as well. You know, cover your bases. There you go.